What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making grilled asparagus in foil. I love to use foil because it's easy so that these don't slip through those grill grates, and it gets the texture nice and perfect. So first I have about 1 pound of fresh asparagus here, and I'm trimming the ends of that asparagus. Then I'm gonna grab a piece of foil. I like to drizzle about half a tablespoon of olive oil onto the bottom. That helps prevent any sticking and also is gonna give that asparagus a little bit of flavor. Then I've got my fresh asparagus there that's been trimmed, and I add another tablespoon of olive oil. Again, just additional flavor. Then I have my homemade BBQ Rub. I'll leave full details in the description box for what's included in there, but feel free to use your favorite barbecue rub or seasoning if you wish. Then I'm gonna seal those, make sure it's completely sealed up, and that's going in a grill that's been preheated to 400 degrees. Then you're gonna grill that for 15 minutes. You'll flip halfway through. But then to serve that, I like to drizzle fresh lemon juice throughout, and it's so good.